everyone, my name is Catherine Costello. I'm Professor of Fundamental Rights and Co-Director of the Centre for Fundamental Rights at the Hertie School here in Berlin. I'm just going to introduce our methods workshop to you and tell you a little bit about how it works. First of all, it's a really participatory, interactive workshop. We solicit applications from doctoral researchers around the world working on human rights and choose a group of researchers that we think will work well together over a couple of days. We then work through, with our colleagues, a number of different approaches to human rights research and introduce you to methods such as comparative research, normative research, some techniques from political science, in this instance process tracing, but most importantly, we offer you the opportunity to get feedback on your own methodological approaches and to give one another suggestions and share your own experiences and expertise on research methods. It's exactly the course that I would have wanted it done at a certain point in my doctoral studies, so we hope it really meets a need amongst human rights researchers.
We're all limited as researchers as to what kinds of research questions we can ask. So if you only know one method or only one methodological genre of research, your questions will very much be sort of coming through that sort of training. So your knowledge of methods limits the kind of questions that you can ask. The more methods that we understand, the more methodological debates that we're able to be engaged in different ways, also enables the kinds of questions that we ask, the quality of those research questions.
So socio-legal research is one method, right, of looking into law and its impact and role in our lives. The other being the conventional doctrinal method. I think the major strength of socio-legal research is that it helps us understand the complexity of social phenomena and political phenomena, because just as life is interdisciplinary, it's also immensely complex.
What's so special about normative methodology? Normative methodology is very different from other methodologies, from other social scientific methodologies. How different? Well, other social scientific methodologies aim to explain or describe phenomena. In that sense, they are value neutral. They are trying to be at least value neutral. Normative methodology, on the other hand, is inherently evaluative. So it is not trying to explain or to describe something. It is trying to evaluate that phenomena from an independent normative perspective.
I'd like today to talk to you about my research, about human rights research, and also about some of the methods that I use in my research. And I want to focus in on process tracing, which is one kind of qualitative social science methods that's not so often applied to human rights research or applied to legal research, but I find it very useful. So I want to talk a little bit about why did I use it, how can it be used, and how might you use it? How might other researchers also be able to use it in their work?
Hi everyone, in my session I'm going to introduce comparative research methods, drawing on scholarship from comparative international law and comparative public law to discuss the what, why, and how of comparison in human rights legal research.